I will support it. Sige, Mayor. Samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating record. We will ask. Tapos ganun. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not...
No nothing.
So just...
No nothing.
You're just airing out as a citizen. Mayor,
I mean,
to enjoin them to opt out.
what?
To opt out from supporting what you said was Durong is the president. Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
That's civilian na ako. I have no authority to order
No,
them
not
to...
order, but just to enjoin them or...
And I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, taga Davao, sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. Tama isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nagsuicide, minumura. If you can tap the fingers and say, huwag ka masyado matulog, kunti na lang. Kung ako yun, isin mo, huwag ka muna tulog. Kape ka lang. Murahin mo, kaya po napahiya. Sundalo na pagkamatay.
Meron din na ang Colonel Mayor na...
nabaril. Sa argument yun. Ito ang argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the Colonel. Was with.
What happened pala sa
Colonel, hindi mo nagsuicide yun. Yung PSG nagsuicide yun. Minura niya. Ni Mrs. Marcos.
Kailan yan, Mayor?
Bago lang. Siguro 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor, may dito paas daw, paano mag-react si Browner kasi ang sister daw ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Going back, what...
Alam mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya, he would insist na matino, wala man tayong magawa. That is his view. Now, for the others,
Mayor, from this happenings po, as a former president, how will you help your people from the sufferings?
again, ma'am,
As a former president, how will you help your people from the sufferings?
suffering. Ma'am, sinasabi ko na ngayon, there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied there is no relief in sight. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
But how is
Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon. So, bahala sila.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Di palakpakin, let us applaud the military. We applaud the military for doing that thing.
Do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we'll slap our hands and say that the military is takot. Kasi sinabi mo eh. Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
What is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh. Hindi ako.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like
Silent martial law.
martial law is a military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. Itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, tambalos-los, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the Constitution. Diyan na magulo talaga dyan. And to make Martin from Speaker mag-transition to si Martin mag-transition to Speaker to the parliamentary prime minister. And there is the ceremonial president na lang si Marcos.
Sir, what's your reaction for the possibility of no L next week? No election? Possibility?
It can be possible. Wala tayong yung cards wala sa Pilipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and President Marcos.
Na kuan po ni PNP Chief Martin na nagpagawa siya statement before na ang mga drug users daw kaya di addict. Sa tuwi comment na to ay nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime or extend ang ilahang oras sa pagpanarbaho. From the PNP Chief mismo.
Ang nagagamit
daw og drugs kay dili daw addict. Nagagamit lang daw sila, labi na daw sa mga trabahante para lang daw extend ang ilahang oras sa pagpanarbaho.
maganda yan. Maganda yan. So, what is an addict? And what is not an addict? An addict who uses shabu and continues to hit, inom. But the other kind of addict is trabaho, hit, para hindi makatulog, hit. Tapos, at the end of the day, siya ang kakainin na makinarya niya. Kasi sabog na siya. Siya na yung papasok doon sa oil mill o sa furnace.
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Romualdez, would give up on his dream of becoming president in 2028?
Wala na, I don't think so.
Wala nang pag-asa.
Wala nang ngayon, mayroon akong suggestion sa military. Pero, hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, magpunta man ako ng Maynila, I'll be frank with them, ilagtan ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, dalhin ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin. Pati itong gold reserve natin. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso nga?
59.